So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions.
Hello, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we're going over the operational procedure of the Cub Cadet CC30 riding lawnmower. First, you want to do a few visual checks before starting the mower. First, check the fuel level and top off with fresh gas if needed. Next, check the oil level and add oil if low. Be sure to inspect all tires for proper air pressure. Also clear any debris from the mower deck, and be sure to inspect mower blades for damage or excessive wear. Now that we've done our visual checks, we're ready to go over the operations of the mower. You'll notice two pedals on each side. The pedal on the left side is going to be your brake pedal. To engage the parking brake, you push the brake pedal all the way in and then push the parking brake down into the parked position. This will leave the parking lever into the parked position as well. The pedal on your right side is your forward and reverse pedal. This mower has a hydrostatic transmission, so you can simply easily push the pedal forward to go forwards and push the pedal backwards to move backwards. Next, you want to select the mowing height you wish to cut at. The CC30H has 5 available height positions, ranging from 1 inch to 3.5 inches. To mow in reverse, you must turn the key to the yellow section and push in the orange safety button until the light appears. A few safety reminders when operating any lawnmower. Always wear hearing and eye protection. No passengers are allowed. Always be cautious on hills and avoid steep slopes. And always disengage the mower blades when not actively mowing. Now that we know the operations of the machine, we can start the mower. To start the mower, you must either have the parking brake engaged or push the brake lever all the way in. Be sure to push the throttle lever all the way up into the choke position and turn the key until the mower starts. Now that the mower is started, you can pull the throttle back out of the choke position. To engage the blades, you want to push the PTO switch down, and that'll turn the blades on. Now to start moving, you want to push in the brake lever and disengage the parking brake. Once you've completed mowing, be sure to re-engage the parking brake, throttle the mower down, and turn the key into the off position. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.